Hello everyone. Now I will show an experiment that defies the present concept of charges. This experiment is similar to Leyden jar experiment. In this experiment, I am going to show the similarities between a capacitor and the actual electroscope. At the end, I will show what is a half capacitor. Here, I have a thin piece of plastic between two metal plates. As you know, a dielectric material between two metal plates acts like a capacitor. And these two metal pipe acts like a positive and negative terminal of this capacitor. And aluminum foils are attached to this metal pipe to show the presence of charge. In this experiment, I am going to place this capacitor between the positive and negative terminal like this. And then charge this capacitor setup with this PVC pipe several times at this end. Since this PVC pipe is negatively charged, this end of the capacitor becomes negative terminal and this side becomes the positive terminal. As per present science, if I bring the Teflon tape near this negative terminal, it should repel, and if I bring near the positive terminal, it should attract. Like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Now I will charge this capacitor. As you can see, the capacitor aluminum foils are diverging, showing the presence of charge. Now I will test the type of charge. It is diverging as expected. At the positive terminal also it is diverging. I can show that. Now the question is why the Teflon tape is repelling at the positive terminal. It's repelling at the positive terminal indicates that this positive terminal is also negatively charged. This completely disobeys the present concept of charges. Now I will repeat the experiment without these metal plates and still show it is working. The only difference is the area between the metal and the plastic is less. Now we have a less contact of metal. You can see aluminum foils are still diverging, showing the presence of charge. Now I will test the type of charge. It's diverging. It's also diverging. Again, this question is why it is repelling at the positive terminal. This is completely disobeys the present concept of charges. Now I will show the similarities between this capacitor setup and the actual electroscope. This capacitor setup is a metal to plastic to metal interface. This actual electroscope also, you can see this metal plate is touching the plastic holder and this plastic holder is touching the metal body. The working is same. Whatever happening in both this capacitor and this electroscope is the same. Whatever happening is happening because of this plastic which is an insulator, and this metal just acts like a transporter. Now I will show what is a half capacitor. In this experiment, I will use only one terminal for this capacitor and show it is still working. You can see aluminum foils are diverging, indicating the presence of charge. And Teflon tape should repel, showing it's negatively charged. This is a half capacitor. It works only with one terminal. As I said before, the physics behind this is entirely different. Thank you, everyone.